Basically, we made this janky ass cable so you can put two batteries into one. We was running a 3S, but the 3S was way too big for the case. Could turn on the old Dumbo, which is not turning on, so turn it upside down. Push the batteries back in, dodgy as fuck, I know. Turn it on. I love the music, here we are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And there we are, guys. It's 2 to 4S, but we don't know why. This ESC, which is apparently a is it a Hobbywing? Yeah, it's like a rebranded Hobbywing, and it like the settings in it's okay, the punch, but I'm not sure about the gearing. This gear is from the Armour Typhoon 6S, the original speed gearing, and I think this one's a bit too big for it. Shut up. So, let's go take her out. I don't think you're going to be able to fit that there. Yeah, you know. I can't see shit, and the camera can't see shit. Yeah, you can't, can you? So this could probably be a quick run. Yeah. There's like people on the other side of the road, I can't even see them. Can't see it? Can't see it? We've got a car, I can't see it. Yeah. We've got a car. Look, ironically, the second we come outside with this car's come. Oh, he's indicating. Right, there's a car up there coming in. Yeah, this is the only... Yeah, exactly. Come on. Oh, that's off. I can't even see it right up. So I can see that. I get back. Just like the camera, I can't see it, mate. I can't see it. I'm going to have to walk up the road a bit. It's off its head now though. That's got a lot of speed in it. We've only gone up one south. Oh yeah, because you're going to come down here, aren't you? Why, at this time, it's like 10 o'clock at night. Why are you coming down here? Oh, fuck you then. We're gonna go up here then. Fuck you. Nah, steering's out by loads. I'm gonna set that up. So, I don't even know. It goes left loads. So we're gonna turn right. Right on the controller. There's a car coming, go right. A tiny bit. Go away, it's my road now. I'm sorry, we haven't got that much room here, but... It's on 4S only. Professional driver, all one-handed as well. You can't just rely on your brakes, that's all. Yeah, well, we're going to call that a night because I can't really see anything to record. So, come back tomorrow and you'll find out, hopefully, the top speed. And this is all one-handed, by the way. It's still going to the left. Still going to... Oh no, it's because Yeah, it's because I've. It's because on Dumbos normally when you change the receiver, it's left to go right, right to go left, isn't it?
Oh, you've changed the receiver on it. I've only just realised.
And this one is acting up now, and it's actually going. No, it's still backwards. Still backwards. So your steering trim would be left, right, wouldn't it? But on Dumbos, for some strange reason, they are backwards. It's all back. It's always backwards. I've always swapped it and. Right, come on, let's go back down here. Give us some extra content. Right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oi, this is quick. For 120 quid, it's not too bad, this end. Right, so look, how hot is it? Cold. Freezing cold. This has got potential. That's, well, to be honest, it's not faster than the Typhoon, but look at him. Yeah, I used to race Marday V12s, right? So this is where I get my experience from, but.
Oh, what? Nearly hitting his taxi.
Mate, there's a 20 plate Skoda right, literally right in front of me. That one there. I'm more careful about that. Right, well, we're going to carry on in the daytime because obviously I'm struggling. Right, look, this is all one-handed. Right, watch.
Whoa. Did that hurt?
Yeah, it did. Hope you're okay, car, and my toe isn't. I've had that bent backwards. Oh, that hurt, that did. I'm going to have fun wearing steel toe cap boots tomorrow.
Save the power.
Oh, yeah, we're going in now. I've hurt my toe. Oh. I can't see. There could be anyone there, and I've just took their ankles out. This is too quick. Oh, my toe. Right, thank you for watching, guys. Oh, there we are, guys. That was it on 4S. That was only 4S. This ESC is only rated for 4S. I wouldn't rate it to say it's a proper hobby wing, but it's 100 amps. As you can see there, you can. Yeah, 2 to 3 less, 2 to 4S LiPo. I am running a 2100 kV Turner G motor, which is actually it's a quite big motor. There we are. Look, research.
All the £179 ones. Look, they're only two-wheel drive, but for
for that price,
that's quite good. I was going to try that Turner G.
Here's my batteries. They're 5,000 milliamp hours. 2S 35C. So we do have these, these. So yeah, thank you for watching. So back in the workshop, even though it's just gone 10 o'clock at night, right? This is being put back. Does everyone else have any problem with this? There we go. So we'll put that away for now. We've just tested that tonight. And we literally just had a Karen, right? If you all know a Karen, right, time to fuck off. We just literally had a Karen. Oh, and I was like, shut up, Karen. And she just walked up. She was like, come take it outside. But anyway, if you're a Karen, stop. Please stop. Come on. But anyway, thank you for watching. This was the LiPo that was in it. Yeah, it was a 3S, but it's too big. See, and it was bending loads, so I don't think I should trust this anymore. I had to bend it back, as you could probably see. But yeah, there's the Typhoon. Waiting for new wheels and tyres for this because it's too fast, too bold. It's got speed pinion gear in there. Running on 4S as well, which it can take 6S. It is a 6S Typhoon, but 2.3S is very expensive. Well, it's not very expensive, and we are planning on getting some of these cars out. I'm still ordering parts of this. Parts coming soon. That dead. This one is DHK Wolf, which I'm still waiting for a gear to come for that. If I can get this back on now. Oh god, here we go. There we are. This is the drift car, which I'm not going to borrow, and this is that Strada SC. So Strada SC, and they don't make them anymore. But yeah, there's a Tamiya as well. That needs to come out, and they change the motor to brushless. And then that's about it, man. We've got the Canyon up there, another Canyon body. But yeah, apart from that, thank you for watching, guys.